to Wake Up Canada News. I'm Brad Wilder. Canada now has 400 reported deaths and more than 10,000 serious injuries following people receiving a COVID-19 vaccine. But Health Canada, they indicate that it has confidence in vaccinations to battle the coronavirus variants. However, there are families behind those numbers that say it's not about statistics, it's about the death of their loved ones. Evidence indicates that the benefits of COVID-19 vaccines continue to outweigh the risks of the disease, according to Health Canada in their new adverse reaction update. Health Canada, the Public Health Agency of Canada, the provinces and even the territories and the manufacturers are closely continuing to monitor the safety of the COVID-19 vaccines. Sure they are. We'll respond to any safety issues right away, and they say they'll inform Canadians about any risks that arise in Canada. But Dan Hartman, father of a 17-year-old Ontario hockey player, Sean Hartman, who died 33 days after receiving the Pfizer vaccine, after being assessed in hospital for a rash, sore shoulders, and rings around his eyes, said he's hopeful the new numbers encourage governments to drill down on ensuring vaccine safety. Health Canada, of course, indicates it's doing just that, acknowledging the United States is now studying whether people over 65 could face a potential higher risk of stroke post-vaccine. Health Canada and the Public Health Agency of Canada are aware of the report released on Friday, January the 13th, 2023, by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and as well as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration on findings from the Vaccine Safety Data Link. Now, the preliminary safety signal has prompted additional investigation into whether there is a safety concern between the Pfizer-BioNTech bivalent COVID-19 vaccine and ischemic stroke in people 65 years of age and over. Now, the signal has not been found in other vaccine safety monitoring systems in the USA, nor in other countries, including Canada. Health Canada, of course, and Canada's Public Health Agency will continue to monitor this issue closely. Canadians can also keep track of the Government of Canada website, of course, at healthinfobase.canada.ca, which was updated on Friday, too. The updated numbers show 95,565,309 vaccines administered and 53,064 adverse reactions have been reported, of which 10,519 are actually considered serious. Now, Health Canada warns, though these 400 deaths occurred after being vaccinated with the COVID-19 vaccine, they are not necessarily related to the vaccine. Sure, have you seen the videos, died suddenly? So have I. While these numbers represent what has been reported, there is still a lot that have not been reported, as doctors won't report due to fear of losing their licenses. The numbers indicate a low chance statistically of suffering serious injury or death, they say. But this is a hard sell to a parent. Hartman said his son Sean's autopsy determined the cause of his September 27th, 2021 death as unascertained, which means he can't say his son died from the vaccine, but others can't say he didn't. When he read the government's latest numbers, his first thought was, is my boy counted as one of these 400? Hartman also said he appreciates Twitter owner Elon Musk's recent tweets about he and his relatives' adverse reactions, which allows more people to openly talk about it. He urged government medical experts and citizens to remember, for grieving families, there are no statistics, just pain and unanswered questions. Now that Health Canada has been transparent with its new report showing 400 deaths and more than 10,000 seriously injured people, Hartman wants the focus to shift from saying the number is low and tolerable to the number is significant, and we don't want to add to it. Now, did you know the CDC and other medical organizations would have pulled the vax off the shelves even if it was 50 people that had died 5 years ago from a new vax? Why are they allowing this? How many more have died and been uncounted? Health Canada said its next update will be on February 17th, and yes, all eyes will be on that coming report. For Wake Up Canada News, I'm Brad Wilder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, donate, and comment. Till next time, remember, you're the voice, and it's time to make it count. I'll see you next time.